Welcome to Fairy Garden Thursday. This is hosted by Grandma Sandy, co-hosted by Sharon Shinogle, Barbie Daily Rule Life in the Valley, and myself. Okay, I'm putting together this little fairy garden that is on a galvanized round tray. And right now I have it on my patio table on the back porch. And I've added a little bit of a fall touch to it with the little pumpkins, some mushrooms, some fairy houses, a little tree back there with a face on it, some orange and purple flowers, and my fairy pick that is in the flower. There's a wishing well in the front. I've lined a few of it with stones, pieces of clay pot, a grateful sign there, a little fall gnome, a decoupaged pumpkin back there. Again, a close-up of the garden pick where she's holding a hummingbird. Isn't that cute? So by adding the pumpkins, I think that really gave it a fall look. The little white picket fence in front. This cute little frog sitting on an orange toadstool. And there is Tool. I still have her on the back patio. A couple of more pumpkins and fairy houses. Now do stay tuned because I'm going to carefully carry it out in the yard. Now the two toads on a mushroom are from the Dollar Tree. Those are new. I just recently got them. One is on an orange mushroom, the other one's purple. I like the colors of orange and purple together for fall. Doesn't that look nice? Okay, continue watching and then I'll come back when I place it out in the yard. Enjoy the video. Okay, now I've placed it out in the yard. This is an old fire pit, and I'm using it now for my fairy gardens. So I added some succulents to the front and some more purple flowers around the whole thing. Isn't that pretty? Sorry about my shadow there. So really everything's the same as it was on the patio. Like I said, I just added the purple flowers around the edge and the succulents around the front. So didn't that turn out pretty? Y'all have to let me know what you think. Now I want to thank you all for watching. Now be sure to check out all the co-hosts and anyone participating, their videos for today. Remember, this is an open collaboration. Anyone is welcome to join, and we really encourage you to do so. Thanks again to Grandma Sandy, and we'll see you all next week. Bye-bye for now.